Good afternoon, everyone out there in internet land. I am Glenn Johnson, education specialist and reading specialist as well. I work for Blue Ridge Academy, just remembered. And this is my first online course through Brandman University. I need to get my autism authorization so that I can keep the reading specialist position. That's one of the reasons that I'm taking this course. Another reason I'm taking this course is I wish to learn more about those on the spectrum so that I can help them. I have friends. I have an older brother who actually has autism as well, and I would like to understand him even more. It really helps me as an educator as well to do my job more thoroughly, and I'm hoping Brandman can assist me with that. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm also an avid movie watcher. My son and I, who's only 6, we have watched all the Avenger movies. We're big nerds that way. Just bought a house not too long ago. Very excited about that. So I like to read also, and I do projects around the house occasionally when my wife can track me down and make me do it. Anyway, I've been working online for a number of years, and I hope to continue to do so for quite some time. I look forward to getting to know all of you, learning and sharing with all of you. And I hope everyone has a great day. See you around.